Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Let's Fix This. In this episode I'm going to do a live demonstration of the Wagner Steamer. A lot of technicians use different kinds of steamers to clear ice from evaporators or fill tubes. I've used the small Bissels and the Sharks, and I've seen a couple guys really like this Wagner one. So I thought I'd buy it and give it a shot and give you a live demo here. Thought I'd let you listen for a little bit how loud it is. It's a little louder than your standard steamer. Went ahead and turned the volume down so you could hear me talk a bit more. I've so far really loved the Wagner Steamer. One of my favorite things about it is I don't hold the steamer in my hand anymore, and I don't push the button on the steamer and then hold the hose out to kind of melt the ice wherever that ice is, whether it's fill tube or an evaporator. The Wagner Steamer sits on the ground next to me, as you saw previous, and I'm just holding the hose. That's it. And the lever is on the hose that releases the steam from the steamer. So that's been my favorite thing. It's way more convenient. Downfall to the steamer is it's about 4 times the size of another steamer. So it is going to be a bit more bulky. So if you're just doing a little teeny job, then I still take in my smaller steamer. But if I'm going to be de-icing an evaporator like this, then I'm definitely going to take in this Wagner Steamer. Another huge benefit to it is it holds a lot of water. Where my other steamers, to de-ice an evaporator like this, I'd have to fill it 2 times, sometimes 3 times. This steamer I can fill up, kick on, let it heat up. It takes about 5 minutes to heat up, but once it's heated up, I don't have to drain that, I don't have to refill it and then wait for it to heat, and then refill it and wait for it to heat. So that's a huge advantage to this steamer. Another downfall that I'm not a huge fan of is it only has a 90-degree tip on it. It's 45 degree. It's not quite 90. 45. Sometimes I wish the tip would be straight out. It would make it a little more easy and convenient when melting certain parts of evaporators. But that's just a little beef. But you can see that it cuts through the ice pretty quick. Favorite thing about a steamer is I'm able to take chunks out at a time. As you saw, I got all the ice off the top of the evaporator pretty quick. This steamer definitely shoots out more steam and water than your typical smaller steamer, so you do get a lot more overspray splashing back at you, but that also helps de-ice the evaporator a lot quicker. So right now I'm just cutting the ice away, or melting the ice away from the evaporator thermistor. This evaporator is over-iced due to faulty thermistors. So I'm clearing the ice so that I can pull the thermistor through, but I'm not going to go ahead and play the rest of the video. It ended up taking me about 15-20 minutes to clear all the ice off this evaporator with the steamer. So all in all, I guess I would say if my steamer broke tomorrow, I'd go buy another one of this Wagner. That's how much I've liked it so far. A little bit bulky, but it's definitely worth it in the amount of time you save and the convenience of not having to sit there and hold your steamer with your one hand and then your hose with the other hand. So just kind of showed you a little how fast it can cut through the thick ice there. So thanks for joining. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly videos on how to fix appliances. Thanks.